Welcome back to our channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras with the Panasonic LUMIX G7KS and the Canon EOS R100. Let's see how these two contenders stack up against each other. Let's kick things off with price. The G7KS is wallet-friendly at $697, making it a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. Many reviewers highlight its value for money, especially given its impressive image quality and features. On the other hand, the R100 is priced at $829, which some users feel is justified by its advanced image quality and performance. However, a few buyers wish they had opted for a lens option to save more in the long run. Ultimately, if you're looking to save some cash, the G7KS is your buddy. Next up is image quality. The G7KS has been praised for its superb DSLM image quality and 4K video capabilities, making it a favorite among reviewers for those who want both quality and portability. Reviewers describe it as a powerful camera that performs well even in challenging conditions. Meanwhile, the R100 features a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor and a DIGIC-8 processor, which users rave about for its crisp and clear images. One reviewer even noted that their family photos have greatly improved since using the R100. So, whether you prefer the refined taste of the G7KS or the robust quality of the R100, both cameras deliver impressive results. Now, let's discuss autofocus. The G7KS has fast and precise autofocusing, which many reviewers commend for tracking subjects effectively. It's ideal for capturing those spontaneous moments. On the flip side, the R100 boasts dual-pixel CMOS AF with up to 143 zones, which one user likened to a game of chess with every piece being a potential subject. However, some reviews expressed frustration with autofocus issues, suggesting that the R100 may require some patience to master. In any case, both cameras offer solid autofocus capabilities. Next, we have continuous capture. The G7KS allows for 3 unique 4K Ultra HD video modes, which reviewers love for its versatility in shooting. It's perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects. Meanwhile, the R100 can shoot at 6.5 frames per second, making it a solid choice for those action shots, like your dog being adorable or mischievous. Both cameras excel in this area, catering to different shooting styles. Finally, let's not forget sharing options. The G7KS is equipped with integrated Wi-Fi, allowing users to upload their photos directly to social media, which many reviewers appreciate. They find it convenient for sharing their creativity with the world. The R100 also has sharing capabilities, and users have praised the ease of uploading photos directly to their phones. However, some users caution against spending too much time posting and missing out on real-life moments. Overall, the Panasonic LUMIX G7KS is highly regarded for its value, versatility, and image quality, while the Canon EOS R100 is praised for its excellent picture quality and beginner-friendly features, despite some concerns over autofocus issues. Both cameras have their strengths and cater to different types of photographers. So who's the winner? If you want a lightweight, budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality, the G7KS is your best bet. But if you're ready to invest a bit more for incredible image quality and advanced autofocus, then the R100 might be calling your name. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more comparisons, and let us know in the comments which camera you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.